China DFM Technology Industrial Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in precision CNC machine tool manufacturing and software development. The focus to promote China's intelligent manufacturing has led to the dedication towards research and development of internationally advanced features of CNC machine tools and to inspire with high-end precision manufacturing. The products developed from this initiative are of high speed, high precision, high reliability, composite, intelligent, flexible, integrated and openness, among many other distinguished features. These products have attained a leading status both at home and internationally. Years of down-to-earth and innovative breakthroughs have finally allowed DFM in 2018 to create a disruptive innovative product. DFM-T400-3, this is a 3-channel CNC engraving and milling machine. Independently developed, designed and manufactured by DFM, with complete proprietary intellectual property rights. The technological concept of DFM-T400-3 could only be a highly desired fantasy in the precision machine tool industry both domestically and internationally. However, DFM, today, made it a fantasy to reality. DFM-T400-3, the disruptive technological 3-channel design, integrates 3 traditional independent machine tools into one. The 3-channel independent axial drive machine consisting of 1, 2, 3 channels with each channel built with X, Y, Z, A, B axis and an independent tool magazine. There are 3 different modes of operation for the 3 channels. The first mode is to run a single program, with the ability to process the same product synchronously or asynchronously. The second mode is to have 3 different programs running, with the ability to process 3 different products. The third mode is to operate on a single channel, without affecting the process of the other 2 channels. The independent processing stroke for the Z1 axis, Z2 axis and Z3 axis is X350 Y400 Z260 respectively. The parameter values of Z1 axis when processing of 4-axis products are: the cutting tool 6 mm, rotation speed S1500, speed F2000, depth Z 2 mm. The parameter values of Z2 axis when processing slide rail products are: the cutting tool 10 mm, rotation speed S18000, speed F6000, depth Z 6 mm. And the parameter values of the Z3 axis for engine product processing are: the cutting tool 10 mm, rotation speed S16000, speed F6000, depth Z 15 mm. Drill hole depth 22 mm, the depth of tapping 20 mm, tap M5. DFM-T400-3 with each channel consisting of an independent tool magazine, capacity of 18 tools. Independent probe, independent 4-axis, independent 5-axis, independent automatic robot arm and other functions. It can also automatically correct tool errors to meet machining plane size, 3D, different sizes and different needs of different materials. Originally needing 3 single head machines and staff allocation on site. The same capacity can now be achieved with just 1 machine using the DFM-T400-3 engraving and milling machine. This greatly improves production efficiency, saves labor costs and reduces energy consumption. At the same time, DFM-T400-3 adopts a full, closed-loop servo system control mode. with the DFM exclusive control system. Adopts modular, hierarchical structure and intelligent programming. It can realize multiple functions such as intelligent human-computer interaction interface, intelligent system diagnosis, upgrade and intelligent remote real-time monitoring, and many other functions. The innovative structure design, combined with intelligent and efficient operating system, enables the produced products to maintain stable machining quality, high machining accuracy, and high product qualification rate. Compared with the current traditional machine tool, the production efficiency can be directly increased by about 3 times. At the same time, it greatly saves the cost of site and space, manpower, water and electricity, and also reduces the processing and testing time. DFM-T400 to 3 engraving and milling machine produces a wide range of products, including 3C hardware, finishing consisting of SIM card trays, card cap, mobile phone button, decorative parts, mobile phone frame, clocks, radiators, new energy auto parts, industrial fixture, aviation equipment and other mechanical parts milling processing. From excellent to outstanding, China DFM Technology Industrial Company Limited has never slowed down. We will create brilliance and dreams with extraordinary enthusiasm, and march towards a broader stage.